The police are now changing or have changed the way they charge drug offences. So in the past, maybe you were found with possession of an amount of drugs and they charge you with possession of intent to sell. Or they raided your house and they found some drugs, they found some mobile phone evidence of you selling drugs to somebody. They have now changed the way they do this. So right now what the police are doing, they're going to drug users. So they're going to a drug user's phone and looking at evidence of messages from dealers offering drugs. They then work backwards. So they go back and they look and they do subscriber checks to see who that number is registered to sending those messages. They see how many messages that particular number is sending and on what frequency. They then look at other evidence in terms of the phone analysis. So they look at something which is called cell site. They look at location, where that phone goes, where that number goes, where it travels to. And then they also look at something called co-location. So for example, a person potentially dealing drugs may have two phones, a dealer phone and a personal phone. But what they do is they find the details for both and they look at whether both phones travel together on a frequent basis. The intimation behind that is that they're traveling together, they must be held by one person. And on that basis,